Welcome to online classes. Today we are discussing about the crafting the brand positioning. It is one of the topic in second unit of marketing management. What is a brand? The brand, according to American Marketing Association, a brand is a name, term, symbol or design or a combination of these intended to identify the goods or services of one seller or a group of sellers and to differentiate them from competitors. And modern definition is brand is a promise made to the consumer to deliver certain tangible and intangible values each time he buys the branded product. Here we have to see the brand identity. So there are so many logos, they identify the brand's particular parental company, and behavior, language, mission, vision, culture, and design. These all are factors involving in the brand identity. Next, coming to the topic brand positioning. Brand positioning is the act of designing the company's offering and image to occupy a distinctive place in the mind of the target market. Developing and communicating a positioning strategy. Actually, the positioning is based on the fundamental factors, they are segmentation. Already we discussed in the segmentation in the next topic, and segmentation are divided into four types. They are demographic, psychographic, behavioral, and geographic. And next, target markets are the fully covered market, single covered market. And now coming to the positioning. So preliminary, the market choosing the segmentation and targeting, and next after that we have to entering into the positioning. Then only we have to crafting the brand position. Competitive frame of reference. The competitive frame of reference provides the context for positioning, and it is a fancy way of describing the market or context in which you choose to position your brand. Here in this image you have to see the several examples of the camera. That is, consumers may be aware that Hewlett Packard produces digital cameras, but they may not be certain whether Hewlett Packard cameras are in the same class as Sony, Olympus, Kodak, and Nikon. In this instance, HP might find it useful to reinforce category membership. In this positioning, you have to analyze the two different topics. They are PODs and POPs. PODs means points of difference. It involves the minus symbol, and points of parity, it involves with the symbol of plus. Coming to points of difference, attributes or benefits consumers strongly associate with a brand, positively evaluate and believe they could not find to the same extent with a competitive brand. And coming to points of parity, association that are not necessarily unique to the brand but may be shared with other brands. Brand mantra. A brand mantra is an articulation of the heart and soul of the brand and is closely related to the other branding concepts like brand essence and core brand promise. In this image, you have to taken the McDonald's brand. Yes, here the McDonald's brand shared the different countries overall the world. So what is the specialty? What is the positioning of McDonald's? Here in this image, I have shown that McDonald's brand positioning involves with the fast servicing and friendly atmosphere and convenience to the all people in all countries. Cleanliness, mainly they are focusing on the clean and green. And next, families and kids are like very much of the McDonald. And next, it is a segment belongs to fast food. And next, burgers are very famous in McDonald's. And children's entertainment also is there in front of the McDonald's showrooms. And next, charities. McDonald's taken a great idea that is given some funds to the charities, and they are proven their business ethics and corporate governance. And next, golden arcs, and as well as Ronald McDonald. Ronald McDonald is the one of the image or logo or mascot. It is implies very well known of the brand of the McDonald's. So these are the specialties like McDonald's to show their brand positioning. Differentiation strategies, approach under which a company aims to develop and market unique products for different customer segments. Means of differentiation. Here, the brand positioning involving the company's employee differentiation, channel differentiation, image differentiation, and service differentiation. They are showing their all the differences comparing with the other competitors. Then only they have to get brand positioning. And next, positioning and branding a small business. Building brands for a small business is a challenge because these firms have limited resources and budgets. So here we don't have any chance to show our brand positioning in small business. Why? Because it is very limited resources and budgets. And finally, the summary is to develop an effective positioning. Developing a positioning requires the determination of a frame of reference. A company closest competitors are those seeking to satisfy the same customers and needs and making similar offers. The key to competitive advantage is relevant brand differentiation. Emotional branding is becoming an important way to connect with customers. Thank you for watching this video.